Welcome to InventoryPlus. In this video, we will learn how to configure multiple branch data sync in InventoryPlus. This feature allows you to synchronize data between your main office and branch offices automatically using cloud storage like Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive. Before starting, ensure all systems are running the same version of InventoryPlus. You must have a stable internet connection and a same Dropbox account or OneDrive or Google Drive account in all branch. The company must be created first at the main branch, and branch systems should sync to it. Let us create company in main branch and set it for sync. Click Create new company. Put company name and details and create. After creating company, check OneDrive or Dropbox or Google Drive which you want to use for cloud storage. Here we are using OneDrive for sync. Log in OneDrive. Then in InventoryPlus, Settings, Defaults, General Settings, enable Multiple Branch option and save settings. Then, in Company Details, General Settings, click Branch Details options. There you get Main Branch option. Here you can create different branches. After creating different branch, you can set Sync to Branch option for each branch. Then click Configure Data Sync option. Select Enable Data Sync option. It's enabled the cloud platform. There you can select Required Platform. Here we are using OneDrive. Here you can see the message. Drive is installed and running successfully. After click on Complete Setup button, you can see message Ready to Sync. Kindly note, here admin user set to main branch by default. Now it's completed the settings in main branch. Close InventoryPlus and copy this data file to second branch system. Next we see second branch configuration. In second branch system, open and log in the copied data file and in Settings, Company Details, Branch Details, set sync path of that system and save. Here you can see the message. Drive is installed and running successfully. After click on Complete Setup button, you can see message Ready to Sync. Then, in Others, Users, set admin user default branch as second branch. Save and exit InventoryPlus. Branch configuration is finished. You can check synchronization between both branches. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.